Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review of the Xerox Vitality Premium Multipurpose Printer Paper. This works for copiers, inkjet printers, and more. It's got some ColorLok technology, faster drying, vivid colors, bolder blacks. And it's also got some specs on the front here. We use Xerox paper at Chmelaeon. We don't like to skimp out on printer paper. It's like $1 or $2 more. But we'll have the Amazon link below to buy these things. They come in different sizes. This one happens to be 800 sheets, and they're always made in the USA, which is good quality paper. So that's pretty much it. We like this stuff. We printed thousands of copies with Xerox. There is cheaper stuff, but you know, we've tried it before. It just doesn't work that well in inkjet printers, so I highly recommend the Xerox stuff. It's an Amazon choice, I've noticed, so must be pretty good. Amazon link below. Check it out. Buy yourself a ream today. Also, we will have the Xerox line of products linked as well because they make more than just paper. All right, Chmelaeon.com out.